been doing this for a long time. June 16th is when I came down, right? The escalator, the famous escalator, right? Big day. Not easy, let me tell you, takes guts. But since June 16th, so I've been essentially the front runner from right up until this time. So the Wall Street Journal comes out with this poll. Horrible language that they wrote about it. I mean, you couldn't have made it negative. They picked out people that spoke very negatively. I said, where did they meet these people, right? Where did they meet them? And it was a lousy poll. And they put it on the front page of the Wall Street Journal about South Carolina, that my lead was razor thin, that I'm going down. I said, why? Tell me why. And I felt good. I mean, I felt so good. I saw it. And everybody else was even criticizing. They say it's an outliner. It's really not. Everybody else was saying the same thing. Because I'm at 35, 36, 42. And this thing was way low. So I was leading by like only 4 points, 5 points. And that's like a little scary because because I'm a believer in polls, as you probably heard. But only